I remember after I had just finished college in 2007, how excited I was to get hired into a corporate company that pays well so that I would be independent and start paying off my student loans early. Things changed after I got my first paycheck. I was so frustrated with how much tax was being taken out of my salary and how much I unknowingly spent the remaining income. Since then, I learned more about personal finance, and I will be sharing the lessons I have learned today. 1. You don't need to invest in everything. When I first started my journey into personal finance, I felt this immense pressure to invest in every hot new trend, every stock that was hyped up on social media, and every piece of advice that came my way. Investing isn't about being everywhere all at once. It's about being smart and selective. I learned that spreading myself too thin meant I couldn't keep track or focus on my investments properly. I was chasing gains in areas I didn't fully understand, and it was stressful. What changed for me was adopting a focused approach. I now concentrate on a few investments that I have both knowledge of and interest in. This has not only made my investments more manageable, but also increased my confidence in my financial decisions. 2. Delayed gratification is crucial. We live in a world of instant everything, instant messaging, instant shopping, instant streaming. When I was younger, I wanted everything immediately, a new car and the latest tech gadgets. I thought having these things would make me happy, though they did for just a few weeks. But they often left me feeling empty and financially drained. But over time, I've learned the importance of waiting. By holding off on immediate desires, I could save more, invest smarter, and enjoy the fruits of my labor later. As I practiced delayed gratification, I learned the difference between buying appreciating assets and depreciating assets, which change the way I spend money. Depreciating assets like cars and electronics lose value over time, while appreciating assets like real estate or stocks increase in value. Instead of pouring money into purchasing a new phone that loses its value in a year, I learned and started purchasing appreciating assets that have grown in value with each passing year. This shift in mindset was transformative and has been a cornerstone of my financial strategy. 3. Saving money is important. There's a lot of noise out there saying that saving money is old-fashioned or even pointless, but I'm here to tell you, don't buy into that BS. Saving money is one of the foundational pillars of personal finance. While investing is crucial, saving money is equally important. Having a solid savings cushion gives you the security to take investment risks without jeopardizing your financial stability. Early in my financial journey, I ignored savings advice and funneled all my money into investments. When an unexpected expense hit, I had to liquidate investments at a loss. It was a hard lesson, but it taught me the value of having savings. Now, I have an emergency fund that can cover a year of my living expenses. This peace of mind is invaluable and allows me to invest with confidence. 4. Investing is boring. Yes, investing is supposed to be boring, and that's a good thing. The media often glamorizes investing. Best example, NFTs, making it seem like a thrilling roller coaster ride. But real successful investing is more about consistency and patience than excitement. When I first started, I thought investing was all about the excitement of the stock market, the thrill of quick gains, and the adrenaline rush of taking risks. However, I quickly learned that the most successful investors are those who play the long game. They invest in solid, reliable assets and let their money grow over time. This isn't about getting rich overnight. It's about building wealth steadily and sustainably. This approach might not be exciting, but it works. In investing, boring is beautiful, and if it's boring, it means you're doing it right. 5. Track your finances. You can't manage what you don't measure. If there's one habit that will have the most profound impact on your financial life, it's tracking your finances. It did for me, so I am sure it will for you. Tracking my finances has helped in knowing exactly where my money is going, how much I'm saving, and how my investments are performing. By tracking my finances, I could identify areas where I was overspending and make adjustments accordingly. I have always used simple budgeting planners to stay organized as it's been helpful. This practice not only keeps me accountable but also helps me set and achieve my financial goals. If you would like a budgeting planner, I have linked several in the description box below. When you know where your money is going, you can control it better. Along with tracking your money, not comparing yourself to others will be of immense help in managing your finances. Social media is filled with people flaunting wealth, making it seem like everyone is living a luxurious life. But comparing yourself to others is a surefire way to feel inadequate and make poor financial decisions. What works for someone else might not work for you, and that's okay. The only person you should compare yourself to is the person you were yesterday. 6. Invest in yourself. Investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Whether it's through education, skills development, or personal growth, investing in yourself yields returns far beyond monetary gains. Personally, I began reading books to expand my knowledge and focus on my physical and mental health. A healthy mind and body are essential for making sound financial decisions and achieving long-term success. These investments have paid off in ways that money alone never could. They've opened up new opportunities, increased my earning potential, and improved my overall quality of life. 7. Understanding your emotional relationship with money. Money is more than just numbers. It's tied to our emotions, beliefs, and experiences. So how do you get to understand your relationship with money? Well, reflecting on your financial upbringing, the values instilled in you, and your emotional triggers around money will help you develop a healthier relationship with it. This self-awareness allows you to make more rational and informed financial decisions, enabling you to start viewing money as a tool, a resource that can help you live the life you want. This shift in perspective made a huge difference in how I handle my finances and reduced a lot of the anxiety and stress I used to feel. And I pose a question for you. Does money buy happiness?